Hi guys, so I wanted to show you guys this Dollar Tree hack. It's a cleaning hack. So basically they sell these gloves. They're for scrubbing your body, and I like these. For this hack I like these better. These are the mittens because they allow you to get a larger surface with just the one hand. So basically you wet the glove and you put soap on it, and then you just with your hand you just rub on your bathroom walls. You can also use the same hack to clean the tub or the tiles. In this occasion I am showing you guys how I use it to clean my shower doors, and as you can see it works very well, especially since these gloves are meant for scrubbing. They are perfect. And sometimes, if you don't have time to clean the bathroom, you can do so while you shower, which is another thing that I like. So, as you guys can see, they work very well and they're so easy. This is such an easy hack to do as well. And I'm just showing you now. I'm done wiping them clean. So now I'm gonna wet the glove, and with the same glove right now I'm going to remove the soap from the doors. So basically when you wet the glove becomes very wet with water, and it enables you to remove the soap from the doors, and then the doors stay nice and clean. And this basically is something that you can do very quickly as well, since the glove soaks up a lot of the water. It removes the soap really easily and really fast. So again, if you're one of those busy moms that doesn't have time to clean the bathroom, you can do so right before you shower or right after you shower. And I'm sorry about my finger, it's just that it got in the way. That little shadow that you see is my finger, because I'm filming this on my phone and sometimes my finger gets in the way.